Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the host. Confirm VTX or AMD and free RAM. This enables nested execution. Once done, download the correct Kali ISO or pre-built image so installers match your hypervisor. Make sure to allocate at least 20 GB of disk and pick the right type, thin for constrained drives, fixed for consistent performance. Set network mode now, bridged for lab access, NAT for safer isolation. These steps cut later rework and let you move directly into VM creation. You now create the virtual machine and configure hardware. Choose 2 or more CPUs and at least 2 GB RAM, then attach the Kali ISO to the virtual CD. Make sure to pick the correct firmware, UEFI if you need secure boot testing, otherwise BIOS for compatibility. Configure disk controller as SATA and enable USB pass-through if you plan to use external devices. Once these settings are done, start the VM and follow the Kali installer prompts to partition, set locale, and create a user. You finish by installing guest editions or VM tools to enable clipboard sharing, dynamic display, and shared folders. This improves workflow. Then update the system with apt update and apt full upgrade, and install any required drivers for networking or Wi-Fi. Make sure to snapshot the clean image so you can revert. If things go wrong, check hypervisor logs and dmesk, confirm virtualization is enabled in BIOS, increase RAM or CPU, and reattach the ISO or VM tools. This usually resolves boot or driver failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.